Hi guys, welcome to Telugu Tech India YouTube channel. Today I will unbox Mi Band HRX Edition band. Here we have Mi logo. Okay, let's open and check what's inside. This is the Mi Band sensor. Okay, let's check inside. This is the strap. Here we have Mi user guide. And this is the charging cradle to charge Mi Band HRX Edition. And this is the Mi Band sensor. This Mi Band sensor tightly kept in this hole. This is the Mi Band HRX Edition tracker. Here we have charging points. Backside we have Mi logo. You can notice one thing, that this Mi Band HRX Edition not have heart rate sensor. If you want a best fitness band with heart rate sensor, you can buy Mi Band 3 or Mi Band 2. This is the charging cradle. We have to keep these charging points to these points, and we have to keep this USB type A to any charger or power bank to charge this. Okay, let's keep this tracker to band. The build quality of strap is nice. On strap we have something model number, and the build quality of strap and band is nice. I really impressed by this quality. This band has rise to wake display. You can see I am rising and the options are changing. And on strap we have little tiny HRX Edition logo. This is the original Mi Band HRX Edition. I will use this Mi Band HRX Edition for few days, and I will do full review on this, and I will say pros and cons of this Mi Band HRX Edition. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to Telugu Tech India YouTube channel. You can notice this if you pair this band with your phone via Bluetooth with the help of Mi Fit app. If your phones get any notifications, you can view on your band and your band will vibrate. Then you has 23 days active life. It is IP67 certified. It has call and notification and idle modes. It has OLED display and it is water resistant. Model name Band HRX Edition. Rating type digital. Material ABS plastic, suitable for fitness. It tracks steps, distance and indicator type vibration. It is supported with iPhone and Android phone. And in this band, activity tracker and sleep monitoring and accelerometer sensor are present. It has Bluetooth 4.4 version. It syncs wirelessly and display type OLED, battery life 20 days, battery type lithium polymer. Supports with Mi Fit app and its battery capacity is 70 mAh lithium polymer battery. Weighs around 19 grams. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to the Tech India YouTube channel.